And what's up, guys? My name is Orange123, and these guys are toxic to me. These guys are toxic to me. I did nothing. My chat got suspended. Let's see. There, there, there. My chat is suspended, but I'm clipping them because I'm a YouTuber. I'm popular. I have 135 subscribers. Maybe over. So make sure, guys, you better delete. Make sure to report these guys. Here, pull up. This green bean, frosted flakes, and cool kid party. Look what they are doing. Look look are what they are doing. They are goddamn talk. I did nothing. I just said sup guys, I'm stupid. And they're calling me small brain. My username is stupid. A username is not your real personality, bro. Imagine trying imagine trying to be toxic to a guy with the emerald ring. Let's see, like this. There, there. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look, look. They're toxic. They're toxic. This guy, cool kid fan. Uh, this this S2 gold second was toxic to me. Now he's saying sorry. I'm gonna be toxic to him by doing this. My friend is also here, so I basically have a teammate. But I have no chat. I have no chat. Oh, thank God that toxic guy is literally that toxic guy is literally. I did nothing to them, and they are calling me small brain. Seriously, they are goddamn calling me small brain. Calling me small brain like I'm actually stupid. I'm pushing to grade 3, dum dum. I know division. Sorry, 20 divided by 5. It's literally probably like, oh, cat, this is per se. Gotta push up, buddy. Gotta push up. And you're also getting clipped. You're getting clipped, bud. You're getting clipped. You're getting killed. Stupid. I know, I'm stupid. Oh, bam! Yeah, aggressive time. Aggressive. Oh, God! Easy. Easy, easy, easy. I'm being toxic to them. US. But how do you call American beef? Of course, US beef. All this joke in the video. Wow. Uh-oh. Oh, this chubby guy is there. I cannot reach to him because he's too far. But this guy is so close. Uh, Alright. I want to go in the social hub. What can I do? I have a goddamn runny nose. I have a runny nose right now. And there are toxic people. Trash talk. Or does it turn like that? Oh, green, green, green. I can reach to the... LOL! Did that. Did that. And everyone got knocked out. This is the reason why you don't trash talk to people. You might, you might, you don't even know if they're a content creator. But I'm gonna play for a bit. Oh my gosh. Holy. Okay. I knocked out the toxic people. Oh no! No! That one toxic guy. Where's his skins? Starlord. Starlord. I'm equipping Starlord right now, but it doesn't let me. Okay, I equip Starlord now. Equip all too. For some reason, there's a penguin skin that is not moving, but right there, and it's on the blue team. It's probably a bug or something. Okay, it's free for all and not two teams, and it's not moving. It doesn't have collision. A normal penguin and a knockout is supposed to have some collisions. Increase. Oh no! Just gotta follow. Oh! Holy, oh my gosh. Holy. What are the chances? What are the odds? Around 5 and almost everybody's dead. I'm going the risky way. I'm gonna go in. Wait, no. I'm just gonna go in there. Holy, holy. It's just between that guy and me. So basically, guys, they're not being toxic anymore because I'm not chatting because I don't have chat. I get suspended for no reason. I get the golden lion. Oh, thank God. I quit golden lion. Oh, it looks exactly looks good too. Let me equip it. Super knockback. Oh, hell yeah. Power 7 today. Everybody's liking me. No, I don't deserve that. I don't deserve that lion skin anymore. But I'll tell you what. I'll put the wrist green, earth green, and probably move it. Oh, oh, thank God. Ah, I guess I'll put the egg. I'm gonna wait. Are you sure that's a good thing? I already have a star. I already have 2 star. So I'm not comparing it. So these toxic guys are not toxic to me anymore. Maybe I should end the video. No, 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 maybe. No, 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 no. Oh! Get dodge, idiot! Get dodge! Trying to play, trying to be aggressive, try, trying to be aggressive, trying to be aggressive to me. I know how to dodge. Dum, dum. And polar portals has so many spots to dodge. There's completely 4 different islands, 4 portals. Portals are meant to escape from this. Oh, what a do? Ooh, diba da do 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 ba do? He rich. So not the same game that is toxic. Kaya gotta run, gotta run, gotta run. Ah, okay, I don't need to. I don't need to run. I don't need to gotta run, baby. What the hell are they saying right now? I don't even have chat and they're not even toxic to me. On. Everyone at the middle. Everyone at the middle. Okay. Oh no! No! Gotta gamble for a bit. Gotta gamble. Gotta chill. I want to gamble. I wanna get your baby. I wanna get your baby. Why is it all wet? I got so many. I got so many ducky skins. Eight, eight, eight ducky skins to be exact. What the hell are they saying right now? Oh no! It's funny too fast. Well, guys, I'm gonna copy their name so I can gonna copy this. I'm gonna copy this. All copy. And Rusted Flex. GD please. Legit. This. Fly you. Select all. Copy. And what's that guy again? Where's it? Where's he? Oh, he lit. I think it was Cool Kid Party, yeah? Cool Kid Party. Copy. And so, let's. So basically, this is his avatar, right? He's a S2 gold, the second. He only got gold from season 2. He only got gold from season 2. God damn, you are new as hell. At least I got emerald. At least I got emerald from season 1 and gold from season 3. I don't got anything. I don't got anything from season 3. Cookie party. What's it? There's so many people that has it. So basically, Cool Kid Party is talking to me earlier, so this one now. Go results. Get out the way, alarm. So basically, you know his avatar. So basically, yeah. And classic hits GD player. Oh yeah, he's the only one. Well, you're getting blocked. You're getting blocked and reported. Behavior in the game or experience. Okay, never mind. Roblox mother can bad it. I'm just gonna block. No! Don't unfriend it. Don't unfriend it. Don't unfriend it. Yeah. So, if you're trying to be toxic to a player, you don't know if they are a content creator or not. There are few there, and you say, oh, there are so many people that are not content creators in the Roblox. But I'm a content creator. I almost play every game. I know. I I am always online on Roblox, so don't underestimate a guy that might clip you on YouTube. Wait no, I'm not being popular. I'm just gonna end the video. How? That's how to. That's how. Just